Okay guys, so welcome back to Dadbots Workshop, and here is a quick look on the finished Gundam Barbatos head bust. Okay, so here we have painted our little Mika figure from the kit. Okay, so it's a problem with the eyes. It's hard, it's quite difficult to paint it anyway. It's just a small figure. So it's a standing victory pose that Mika usually has. Okay. Anyway, and for that, let's go on to the build itself. So basically with the build, what I have noticed is that during the snap build of this kit, fittings were, some parts were really tight. Okay? They were really tight, and basically they were a bit difficult to separate after snap building. So if you are planning to paint this kit, okay, before you paint, consider about putting some masking on the joints and pegs, especially on the pegs or with the holes. Don't paint on those parts so that they won't get thick, so they won't get thicker, and you won't be having any difficulty putting them back together. And then so with the decals, there is no guide on where to put the decals. So what I did was just go with how I felt, okay, how I felt like it. So those decals were just placed randomly anywhere. I just thought about, what if this was my mecha? So how would I, how would I decorate it? Like that. So there, and yeah, just that. But all in all, this kit is a good one to have. Okay, I placed some fluorescent stickers there, and also on the eye. Okay, that does. Let me show you just a bit. Let's charge it a bit by putting it close to the light, and then now let's see. There you go. Huh? It's not there. Okay, just wait a bit. And now. Okay, so there you go. No need for an LED, because honestly I wanted to light this kit with LEDs, with the one here in the pilot area. There, one LED here and two LEDs here. I was thinking about that, but I got lazy, and yeah, I just basically just got lazy about it. And honestly, I didn't have that much time to drill holes and find where to put the batteries or something like that. But if you want to put the LEDs, this part is a good one because it's clear plastic, so you can put one there, and then here you can drop probably one so that you could see the cockpit better. Like here, it's too dark already, so you cannot see it properly. Let me try and see if we could have some light. Yeah. Okay, and my light is not that bright, even it's not showing. Oh, I just remembered here. Okay, I have a light here. That would be brighter. Okay. So there you go. Yeah, it's true. It's that bright. Okay, so there, as you can see, so I also painted a small Mika pilot figure there inside. So there, yeah, and then wow, see what I mean? It's tight. Okay. Oh, so the joints are a bit tight, and that's how Barbatos looks like with chest covered up. Okay, so there, and this part actually, this is two parts. Okay, so you have the inner one and then the top one. Basically, I would suggest that you do it if ever you're gonna paint it. Just do it like this, like put them all you put it all together already, and then work it out like that. Paint it one, because what I did was I painted these two parts separately. So one was white and then the top one was reddish one. And when I tried to put them together, it was this parts, okay, they were exactly they were already tight before painting, and then after painting they were impossible to put in. So what I did was I used a rubber hammer and tried to hammer it in, and then this part, this plastic, got cracked. Okay, so this was broken. So I had to forcibly separate them again, and the sides of this were really damaged and chipped. So this part took me quite some time to fix. Like I had to cement them together and then put some what's that, fillings, okay, so putty. I placed putty, and yeah, I had to mold it, fix it, and then paint it afterwards. But now it looks okay. So there, just heads up with that. Okay, anyway, here it is, Gundam Barbatos, how he looks, custom painted, so not that much. So there, let's bring in more light. Wow, I didn't know that this was this bright. And this is going to go on top of our computer. Okay, so we are going to put that there for display. Wow, oh, it really looks nice. This kit is awesome. It looks great. I'm gonna be displaying it with the chest open with the pilot inside, or probably not anymore. Whatever, I'll just redo it afterwards probably. So let's light that up. Let's try to light that up, and this one, and here we go. Nice, right? No LEDs. Alright, so there you go, guys. So if you liked this video, so if you enjoyed watching this video, I do hope that you like it, share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel Dadbots Workshop